product that we produce is the lifeblood of the economy of the United States. There are very few projects out there that can be completed without even a portion of our product involved in it.
No one ever really thinks about it. I mean, you walk on it.
Really, it touches us in every part of our lives.
Most buildings and roads and highways.
Dam systems, ports, buildings, homes.
It affects everyone.
300 million years ago, this place was an ocean, and this limestone was left from raw materials that the earth provides to us.
From the Roman Empire forward, cement and concrete has played a key role in building out the world.
And you can shape it, you can form it into different things, you can color it, you can do just so much with the product. It's probably the most versatile building material in the world.
It's really a building block of our society.
We're manufacturing a product that is essential to the economy of the United States to build the infrastructure that we're going to need well into the future.
We are helping to build America.
I loved playing with Legos when I was a kid, and so this is kind of like a dream job for somebody who loves seeing buildings get built and roads get built and bridges get built.
Cement is all we do. And because that's all we do it better than anyone else.
Ash Grove is the 5th largest overall in our industry.
We have 8 cement plants. We have 4 that are in the western region and 4 in the midwestern region.
Cement is a key product for Ash Grove. We're also in 3 other lines of businesses that complement the cement business. We are a ready-mix manufacturer. We also are in the aggregates business, where we sell sand, gravel, and crushed stone. And finally, we're in the packaged products business, where we manufacture and bag cement and cement-related products.
We have the most efficient, most modern, up-to-date equipment in those plants.
I think one of the things that keeps us outside of our competitors is our customers understanding that every product that we provide them is going to be the highest quality that they can find on the market.
It's honestly pretty amazing how much has to go right in order for cement to come together and be an efficient product.
We have people that monitor the quality of all those raw materials that we bring into the plant, and they're testing it as we're manufacturing it, and then we test it again as we ship it.
Quality is a critical part of our relationship with our customers. Our customers are out there making big commitments on highway projects, big commercial developments. They have to have quality products from us on demand. So there's a lot of trust there.
We do everything we can to improve the quality of the product and then make sure the customer know what to expect from today to tomorrow.
We look to maintain our efficiency and our productivity and sell a quality product to our customers so that we have good family wage-earning jobs for generations to come.
Well, as I think back on values instilled by our family, I guess I really should go back to the early 1900s with the Sunderland brothers and their tagline, "Every hunt is a big one." Because that implies a level of trust, I think, that our family has always tried to develop, trust in our employees.
Ash Grove has always been a high-end employer.
They take care of their people. It's a family. I know that's kind of like a cliche thing to say, like every company says it, but they take it pretty serious.
They've proven it through the years.
My great-grandfather came in the business in the early 1900s following his successful start of the Sunderland Brothers Company up in Omaha.
About 1913, our family took a controlling interest in Ash Grove.
And the company has evolved since then through 4 generations. It's been a great run for our family and something that we're very proud of.
To listen to the history of the industry, the company, the people with my grandfather, and just absorb the family perspective on how a business should be run.
This is a company that values its employees and takes care of them very, very well.
My father had worked there for almost 10 years. He had a very, very high opinion of Ash Grove.
My dad was a World War II veteran. In 1954, he started working at Ash Grove. And my memories were very good and fond of what he did there and the friends he made and the company he worked for.
The dedication for the people working there and the family atmosphere that's developed between co-workers is really rewarding.
My family works there now. I have 2 boys there, and I have a grandson working summer help through the college program. I know my dad would be very proud of all the boys and what they've accomplished in that work at Ash Grove.
Ash Grove, in particular, the Sunderlands have been very benevolent to our community. They've provided funding for a new aquatic center to our YMCA. They've contributed to Midland University in the past, and those are things that are important to me. My grandparents and my father have been buying cement from Ash Grove since 1958.
They are part of the community. Many industries in larger communities come and go. Ash Grove has not done that. Ash Grove has been a part of our community in a very substantial relationship.
Our plants sit in a lot of small communities, and we're generally the biggest employer in a lot of those small communities.
Many of the people who live there, they work for Ash Grove, or they know somebody who does, or they have a family member who does. And so to them, seeing Ash Grove around the community, helping out, putting money into the schools and the infrastructure around there, it not only makes their lives better, but it also brings food to their table at night.
As a part of a closely held family business, I have quite an affinity to family businesses. I'm a partner with my younger brother in this business, so it's always been fun for us to deal with Kent and Charlie and Ash Grove Cement.
We've always felt like it's a social responsibility to give back to the communities that support us. I mean, we have a license to operate that we have to earn every day.
Not only our customers that are buying from us, but the employees that work there want to live in communities that are vibrant and growing all the time. So Ash Grove Charitable, through our financial resources, can help make their communities better places to live, not only for our customers and employees, but their families, and that's what we're all about.
Every day it's a never-ending process of what you can learn, and I really enjoy that because it's something new every single day.
I get to continue learning. I really like to learn and just absorb new information.
They're actually investing a lot of time into me, which makes me feel good and want to work a lot harder to help them out, because if they're going to invest time in me, I want to be able to invest time back into them equally.
Where else are you going to work for a company that's 135 years, that's still in the growth phase of their business development? I mean, that's unheard of.
I've been working at Ash Grove for 15 years now.
I have been with Ash Grove for 7 years.
34 years.
37 years now.
For 36 years.
For 34 years.
I worked at Ash Grove for 30.5 years.
My time at Ash Grove meant success for me and for my family.
It's certainly an industry where you work, you can feel like you make a difference. There's always better, cleaner, more efficient ideas that can help to make our industry be sustainable.
Cement, it's the infrastructure of the community essentially, so it's always going to be around.
It's the foundation of all that we do.
There's always superhighways to be built. There's always structures put up.
This industry will be around for the ages to come.
It's building America. It's what's paving the way to success.
My hope for the company is to continue the way they have for the last 135 years and always look to the future the way they have.
We have great hope for this great company.
It goes back to the family, and the Sunderland family has been the key foundation for the company, and they put a lot of trust in their employees, and they take a very long-term view, and that has led to 135 years of successful operations.
You know, we want to be known as a family that ran a good business, was a good employer, helped a lot of people throughout their existence and their lives, giving back to the community.
I think what we've created is a legacy and a culture that's very strong.
I'm very fortunate to be where I'm at in my career. You know, I have a choice that I don't have to be here, you know, because of my age and years of experience. I could be doing other things, but as long as I get the inner drive and commitment to come in on a daily basis, and as long as it's fun, I'll come in as long as they'll have me.